How to improve your eyesight naturally and fast. Hi friends, I'm Ivy. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular update. Our eyes are some of our most precious organs, so we should be doing all we can to take care of them. However, in today's world, it can be difficult to find the time to really take care of our eyes. But did you know you can improve your eyesight without contacts or glasses? Have you ever tried eye exercises, or proper nutrition for your eyes? Keep watching to find out some simple things you can do every day to improve your vision naturally and fast. Treat your eyes right. While you may have heard it 1,000 times, it is really important to eat right. Eating a healthy diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables will seriously help improve your eyesight and keep it from deteriorating. It is also important to eat the right vitamins to support eye health. Vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, C, and E, are all important to eye health. Antioxidants, remember eating carrots for your eyes, are also a great source of nutrients for healthy eyes. If you don't think you're getting the right kinds of vitamins, consider taking a supplement or multivitamin. Our Aloe Plus formula actually contains 17 different vitamins, minerals, and herbs you should take to support your eyesight. While taking vitamins won't completely correct your vision, they are still a very important part of your overall eye health. Rest properly. Supporting your eye health is just one of the many benefits of getting enough sleep and taking breaks during the workday. While you shouldn't be sleeping on the job, it is still important to rest your eyes once in a while. If you work on a computer all day, your eyes are probably under a lot of strain. Do yourself, and your eyes, a favor by taking a break for about 10 minutes for every 50 minutes spent in front of the screen. Simply close your eyes for a minute or get up and walk around the office. Focus on something that isn't a screen. You can also rest your eyes by following the October 10, 2010 rule. This means you should look at something 10 feet away for 10 seconds for every 10 minutes you spend working on the computer. Additionally, getting around 8 hours of sleep a night is incredibly important for your eye health. If your eyes are well rested, they will be in much better condition. If you currently do not sleep enough or take enough breaks at work, try it out for a week and see the difference it can make. Perform eye exercises. One of the fastest ways to improve your vision naturally is to perform daily eye exercises. Eye exercises are meant to strengthen the eyes and improve vision. Using eye exercises can even eliminate your need for contacts or glasses. Get a regular schedule of eye exercises and try to do them daily. This will help you get in the habit of performing exercises and also help you achieve better vision fast. First, apply heat to your eyes by rubbing your palms together and then placing them over your eyes. Hold your hands over your eyes for 5 to 10 seconds, and then repeat. Do this before performing any eye exercises in order to prepare your eyes. Start exercising by rolling your eyes. Rolling is one of the easiest eye exercises. Without straining your eyes, remember to stop if it hurts, look up as far as you can. Then, look down. Repeat this 10 times. Now look to each side, repeating 10 times. After that, look in each diagonal direction. Finally, roll your eyes in a counterclockwise motion about 10 times, then reverse the movement and roll them clockwise. Grab a pen and hold it at arm's length, making sure the pen is at eye level. Focus on the tip of the pen as you move it closer to your eyes. Stop when you get about 6 inches away from your face, and focus on the tip as you move it back to arm's length. Remember to do this slowly and focus on the tip of the pen. Repeat about 10 times. Massage your eyes after exercising. First, massage your temples with your fingertips or one of your knuckles. Move in a clockwise motion several times, and then switch to a counterclockwise motion. Massage over your eyebrows and under your eyes as well. When you're done exercising and massaging, apply heat to your eyes once more by rubbing your palms together. If your eyes are really tired, close them and rest for a few moments. Resting your eyes frequently, as described in the previous section, is very important to preserving the health of your eyes. Take extra steps. The Acu Plus formula is designed to help you improve your vision with eye vitamins. Doing a few simple daily eye exercises along with taking the right vitamins and minerals is the best form of prevention when it comes to common vision problems like nearsightedness, farsightedness, astigmatism, and presbyopia. Be dedicated to improving and preserving your eyesight now and save yourself from vision loss down the road. Thanks for watching me. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe. And please stay tuned for more.